Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, today's cruise news, going to be short, going to be sweet, not a lot going on in the cruise industry right now, but we do have a couple of cruise news stories for you. First up, New Zealand. After 2 years of no cruising in New Zealand, the cruise ban has finally been lifted, and it was lifted effective midnight, July 31st, here in 2022. Now, P&O Australia's Pacific Explorer, well, it's going to be the very first cruise ship to sail back into New Zealand and kick off their restart of cruising. Now, New Zealand is going to require that everyone over the age of 16 be fully vaccinated as part of their health and safety protocols, but it's great to see another cruise port back open, another country accepting cruise ships, more destinations for cruisers to travel to. Norwegian Cruise Line's second Prima class cruise ship, the Norwegian Viva, well, she has officially been floated out. Now, they just took possession of the first ship, the Norwegian Prima, first in the Prima class, and the second Prima ship is already floated out, and she's going to be number 2 out of a total of 6 Prima class ships, and is currently expected to do her first sailing on July 3rd of 2023. Now, the Prima class ships, they are expected to have 9 specialty restaurants on board, 6 complimentary restaurants on board, and a food mall that will have 11 different venues on board. So there's going to be lots of food choices on the Prima class ships. On top of the fact they're also supposed to have a multi-deck go-kart track. And Norwegian's going to be doing something called a fixed menu for the main dining room. So, traditionally on a cruise ship, the menu in the main dining rooms, well, it changes every single day. And what Norwegian's talking about doing is having one menu that stays the same every single day. So instead of a large variety of foods, they're going to have a set amount of quality foods. They're going to improve the quality, but have the menu remain the same day after day. They said with a large number of specialty restaurants, complimentary restaurants, the food hall, and the buffet, that it will still give passengers plenty of choices while sailing on board the ship. So kind of looking forward to see what those menus are going to look like and exactly all of the things they're going to offer on board the Prima class ships once the Norwegian Prima starts sailing. And that's going to be your cruise news for today. Like I said, short, sweet, not a whole lot going on, but I do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Free to do so. Helps our channel grow and lets you know anytime a new cruise news video comes out. Hope everyone is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.